Okay, this is my third attempt to update you guys on some progress on the land development here in Oklahoma. We got the building up. Ta-da! Bedroom, living room, if that's what you want to call it, living space. I'll do a walk around here. Don't look at my trash. My temporary power goes to the trailer over there. But that'll flip over inside real easy. Here's the north side, or what I call the animal side. This door will go into a mudroom and straight into the bathroom. And all the way at the other end will be the bedroom, and in between the kitchen, of course. Not very much to that. Drive-through doors. Yeah, this is to let air go in and out. It'll save on cooling and stuff if I can open this up at night. I might go so far as to build a screen door for these. We'll see. Big dreams, and probably not necessary if I just turn the air conditioner on. And then this is the back side of the building with the woods and the dark side of the moon over here, because at night you can't see in there and there's nothing back there but, well, moon rocks. And the deer, it's the deer habitat. They come in there at night and lay down. I don't know why they like laying on the rocks, but they do. There's some big flat rocks back there. Here's the back of the shop, or the front garage of the shop and the back of the shop. This is the road that will come down into the shop, and it heads out towards the street here. Once I get the trailer all moved, I'm gonna cut a spot in the woods here to park the trailer, probably right there where that stump is, and I gotta take that big tree out. So I might park it right next to the shop, I don't know. But I could get into the shop as it is right now. This is why I left these trees. But I kind of want a flat area outside this side of the shop, just, I don't know, for working or parking trailers or people coming over or whatever. I might change from this road to coming straight up where the trailer is. If I take out a few trees, I could make a driveway right there too. So we'll see. Decisions. And everything changes is when I get in the seat and start pulling the levers. But anyway, that's a quick update. Building is up. The next thing will be to start on the interior. And today I'm going to put the plates down for all the rooms and make, decisions on how big I want this and how big I want that, and kitchen, bathroom. And yeah, I can't do too much until I spray foam the thing, or I don't want it. We'll see. But if I have to wait 3 weeks for them, the room's going to be built by the time they get here to spray foam. I just won't be able to put any drywall on or nothing. Yeah, so that's that. I got a nice little view from this room right here in the front. Anybody coming in, mailbox, blah, blah, blah. My computer's going to go somewhere around here, so I'll be able to look out and see everything that's going on in the front and in the animal area. Got a bunch of logs to play with. Could bring those in the winter time too if I really wanted to. But I've stopped on that because, yeah, it takes a little bit of equipment to move those logs. They're not light. Anyway, before I ramble on anymore and have to make a fourth video, we're going to close right now with bye-bye, and there's your update.